to my channel. I am Subbalakshmi Shastri. Multiple works of ancient and medieval literature refer to a wide variety of edible flowers. In India, flowers are being eaten from times immemorial. Today, let's watch some top 10 edible flowers of India.
Tamarind is a leguminous tree belonging to Fabaceae. Its scientific name is Tamarindus indica. The flowers of tamarind are cooked and eaten as greens and in curries in India. The flowers are an ingredient in salads. The pale yellow flower with red and purple veins is often found in a dried form and it is a mild sedative. It enhances the body's natural immunity and promotes a healthy heart. Palash is a deciduous tree species native to Indian subcontinent. It is scientifically known as Butea monosperma. It belongs to Fabaceae. These flowers bloom during early summer. Palash ka sharbat is particularly healthy during the Indian summer. Beat the heat with Palash sharbat. In Satpura, that is in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, curries are made with Palash flowers. The flowers of Palash are very useful. They have astringent, antidiarrheal, anti-cancer, antioxidative, diuretic, anti-inflammatory and emmenagogue properties. Sesbania grandiflora is a small, loosely branching legume belonging to family Fabaceae. Some of the common names of this plant are agati, agastya, basma, vegetable hummingbird, flamingo bill. The flowers are found in white, red, yellow and blue colors. Red and white ones are used as vegetables, while blue and yellow ones are used in medicine. In northern India, the flowers of Sesbania are used in making curries and crispy snacks like pakodas. In Bengal, the flowers are eaten after being fried with gram paste. The flowers of Sesbania grandiflora are a rich source of proteins, minerals, vitamin B, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Pumpkin belongs to the gourd family, that is Cucurbitaceae. There are several varieties of pumpkins. It belongs to the genus Cucurbita. Some of the common varieties are Cucurbita pepo, Cucurbita maxima, etc.
These are yellowish orange pumpkin flowers. Pumpkin flowers have many health benefits. All over India, people use pumpkin flowers in the form of vegetable or pakodas, and in Tamil Nadu they make toran. It is particularly used in Bengal cuisine. These pumpkin flowers can be used to make salads, soups, fritters and different kinds of vegetables. There are many health benefits. These pumpkin flowers are very rich in vitamin A, C, B9, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, folate, etc. Some of the health benefits of pumpkin flowers are they boost your immunity, they can be used for treating a cold, and they'll make your bones strong.
Neem is a fast growing evergreen tree that can reach a height of 50 to 65 feet. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica. It belongs to Meliaceae. In Tamil Nadu, neem flowers are used to make rasam, chutney, neem flower rice, and kolambo. In Karnataka, neem flowers are used to make gojju and neem flower rice. In Andhra Pradesh, spicy powder is made with neem flowers. They are used in Ugadi Pachadi. In addition to these dishes, one can make cutlets, raita, bhaji, soup with neem flowers. Neem flowers can be used to treat anorexia, nausea, belching, and intestinal worms. Kachnar is a medium sized tree that reaches a height of 50 to 60 feet. Its scientific name is Bauhinia variegata. It belongs to Fabaceae family. Some of the common names are orchid tree, camelfoot tree, Kachnar in Hindi, Kanchan in Bengali. In northern India, Kachnar, that is to say, the flower buds of Bauhinia, are used to make curries. They are used to make vegetable with minced meat or mutton. They can be used to make cutlets too. Kachnar is used to treat hemorrhoids, hypothyroidism, digestive system problems. It controls blood sugar and it has anti-cancer properties. Moringa oleifera is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree of the family Moringaceae. It is native to the Indian subcontinent. Moringa or drumstick flowers are used to make curries in South India, Orissa and Bengal. The flowers can be steeped in boiling water for a calming tea, blended into a mild chutney, or can even be fried in oil for a crispy snack. Drumstick tree is also called a miracle tree. It is extremely rich in vitamins and minerals. It has antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. The scientific name of mahua is Maduka longifolia. It belongs to Sapotaceae. It is an Indian tropical tree found largely in the central and northern plains and forests. The flowers of mahua have high nutritive value. They are very rich in sugars, because of which they are used as a sweetener in preparation of dishes like halwa, kheer, methi puri, barfi, etc. Mahua flowers are used as a cooling agent, tonic, astringent for treating helminths, tonsillitis, bronchitis, etc. These are flowers of mahua. Rose is a woody perennial flowering plant of the genus Rosa in the family Rosaceae. Cooking rose petals goes back to centuries. It is used in several dishes, some of them being gulkand used in pan, jam, ice cream, tea, rose milk, rose water, candied rose petals, etc. Gulkand used in pan. Rose jam, rose water. Rose petals help the body maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Rose water reduces inflammation, soreness, and it is a natural coolant. It's a mild sedative. It enhances the body's natural immunity and promotes a healthy heart. Banana belongs to Musaceae. There are several varieties of bananas belonging to genus Musa. Banana flour is a good antioxidant source. It is very rich in protein, vitamin A, C, and many minerals. Banana flowers are used all over India. Banana flowers can be used to make fritters, pakodas, vada, chutneys, bharta, kofta curry, cutlets, banana flowers chop, banana flowers dal fry, etc. Banana flowers have many health benefits, some of them being they reduce anxiety, prevent the growth of pathogenic bacteria, they are rich in antioxidants, they reduce the risk of heart diseases and cancer.